We are the BYU Big Beam Competition Team, and we present to you our beam for 2011. With little to no experience in concrete mix design or pre-stressed concrete design, our team designed an 8-inch wide by 11 1/4 tall beam. There are 4.6-inch strands and a number 6 bar in the lower half for tensile stress resistance. The number 6 bar was used instead of another strand, as a 5th strand would cause the beam to crack upon release. 4 number 3 bar stirrups and 2 number 3 bars were used to keep the beam intact during transportation. We worked with Hanson Precast in West Salt Lake to create the beam. Working on site with a concrete fabricator was one of the most educational parts of the competition, and an invaluable experience for us as future engineers. The engineers at Hanson agreed.
I want to see working engineers that work at sites, actually work on the projects, because a lot of engineers we deal with have never done anything on a project site, and it's very hard for us because they don't know what we're doing. They just draw it on a piece of paper. So they'll design a girder or any product, and it looks good on paper, but when in reality it doesn't work. And if they would come to the sites and work with the guys who are making product, then they'll know how to do it. And I know that it's not all about numbers. It's about making a real thing, product, something that people have to live with.
The challenge of the Big Beam competition is, of course, to design a beam so that you can accurately predict the failure load and the deflection at failure. Despite our lack of experience, our structural design was very similar to one created independently by Hanson for us to compare our design with. So we feel that we were very capably able to learn this new skill and overcome our lack of experience. We would do a few things differently if we could do it all again, but through this competition we learned a valuable skill and gained real-world experience as engineers. We would do a few things